There is no heaven. There is no hell. There is only the echo. This is the afterlife of ruin. In the wreckage of belief, bereft of memory, wander the souls. These are the lost, and they are not alone. Hunters burst upon the echo. The idols. The idols are power and desire, weakness and despair, and they have come to harvest and devour. In the echo, the only thing more terrible than being lost is to be found. Idols of Torment, a dark skirmish game from Black Magic Craft. 2 players take on the role of Eternals, commanding their idols in a clash over the lost. Their sole focus? Reaping. Lost miniatures and game pieces available as both hard plastic and 3D printable files. Choose your order. Play with official 3D printable models or your own kit-bashed creations. With the Echo Deck and Eternal Powers, every game is unique. An easy-to-grasp but hard-to-master strategy game designed for a wide range of players.